Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by identifying your controller, wired plugs via USB, wireless needs the Xbox 360 wireless gaming receiver. Once you have the right adapter, connect the receiver or OTG to your phone and insert batteries. Make sure your phone's USB host OTG is enabled in settings so it can power the accessory. You're doing this now so the phone can enumerate the device immediately. That's what lets games read inputs without extra hardware later. Once connected, power the controller and initiate pairing. Press the sync button on the receiver, then the controller for wireless. Wired controllers appear instantly when using OTG. When your phone shows a USB permission prompt, grant it so the OS exposes the device to apps. Next, open System Input or Controller Diagnostics to verify buttons register. If buttons don't respond, remap or calibrate inside the game or a controller mapping utility. Because Android may present, you're almost done. Launch a compatible game or a controller test and press every button and move both sticks to confirm input. If some inputs are swapped, remap them in the game or with a mapping profile and save it so you don't repeat setup. Finally, one key troubleshooting tip. If the phone never detects the controller, reconnect with a different OTG cable or swap batteries, then reboot the phone. Many recognition failures are simple power or cable issues rather than software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.